Okay, welcome. Today we are going to be talking about the Conga Upgrade Assist Package, which you can download into your Salesforce org, which will help you manage upgrades, so we can schedule those when and how you like. Right, step one, we're going to actually download the package into our Salesforce org. So you're going to go to your Conga community, log in, and then at the top we'll click on the Install Center. Okay, we'll scroll down to our packages and you can look either under contract management or CPQ. You're going to see the Conga Upgrade Assistant right here. So at this point, you will download it into your production or sandbox. For us today, we're going to do production, but suggesting that you probably want to do this in Sandbox first. So if you do, simply click on Install in Sandbox. But a quick note, you will need to put that in both your Sandbox and Production org. The package will be needed in both of those orgs in order to manage those orgs separately. Okay, so we'll click on Install in Production, and then we'll sign in with our username and password, and it will bring us to a page that looks something like this. It's asking for a installation key, which is install Aptus, all lowercase with no spaces. So install Aptus, and that's insert there. And then install for admins only is the suggestion there. And then simply click install. All right, that will then take about 10 minutes to download and for the package to arrive in your org. Once you do get notified that it's installed, you can go ahead, go into your Salesforce setup. If you search for installed packages in the setup, it'll bring you to this page and you'll be able to find and search for the Upgrade Assistant. So if we just highlight that there, you can see that the Conga Upgrade Assistant has been downloaded into this org. Once there, the way to find and use this package is we're going to actually look into our app launcher. We can search for upgrade, and now we'll see the Conga Upgrade Assistant is right there. Go ahead and launch it, and it'll bring you to this page. Quick note, something that you didn't see here is when you launch the tool for the first time, you are redirected to the Installed Packages tab, which will prompt you to allow access to the org information. All right, you're going to need to click Allow Access to complete that auto registration, and an email notification will be sent to your registered email ID as well. And all that is doing is basically allowing us at Conga to make those upgrades as you are requesting within this app. So that is needed. Okay, first up, we've got the Installed Packages tab. So what this basically lays out here is all the details of the packages currently installed in your org. So over on the left, you've got the name, and then these two columns are what is currently installed in your package, in your org. You've got the release name and the release version. And then over on the far right-hand side, you've got what is available for you as the latest release, both the name and the actual version. And then an important note is anytime you see this tick, this little check mark, that means that there is a new version available for your org, which you can download. Great. So there's two actions available for you on this page. The first one is the auto upgrade. So by default, this is disabled. And if you would like to enable this, what this will do is it'll take some of the reminders away from you. Basically, we'll auto upgrade your package 3 times a year. So that will be February, June, and October. So when we do our releases, you'll be automatically included within the upgrade program. So to enable that, you simply click on enabled and then confirm. And then the other thing over here, you can set your package access. So if you only want certain packages to be automatically upgraded, you can set the package access there and pick and choose which ones you would like. The second tab along here on the top, we've got instant upgrade. Now, as the name suggests, this is how you come in here and just simply instantly upgrade your org to either the latest version, for which you click on this button here. And what it will do is it will show you what you're currently on, what your target new version will be, and then you simply click OK. and then confirm, and that would actually go ahead and upgrade that for you instantaneously. The other option is over here, you've got the options to choose from not only the GA package releases, so you got the October 23, February 24, but also some hot fixes and some quick patches that we have in there as well. So those are available to you if you want to be more specific to the version that you want to upgrade to. So again, if you do that, click on Upgrade Now, and it'll bring up the kind of preview of what's going to happen. So this is our current version, 4.24, and then the new version will be 5.25, and we know it's going to be upgraded because of this little check mark. You then go ahead, click OK, and confirm, and it will upgrade for you. Then finally, we have the Schedule Upgrade tab along the top, which again, as the name suggests, where you come to schedule an upgrade. One action available to you here, the Schedule Upgrade button. Once you click on it, you're going to give the upgrade schedule a name. We'll just call this one March 2024. Then you choose when you want this to happen. I'm going to select Sunday evening, let's say 2 a.m. when I don't think anyone's going to be in here. And then you're going to choose which version you would like. I'm going to go ahead and select the latest. You click Create. It gives you that preview as you saw previously. I'm going to tell you which packages or which package will be updated. Click OK, and then it's going to allow you, if you want to, go ahead and proceed, which we'll say we do. But for the sake of this demo, I'm not going to allow it. Okay, so once you've clicked confirm there, the job status will be scheduled, and you're going to see that update right here within the scheduled jobs area. A quick note, you cannot create another schedule upgrade until the previous upgrade has been completed. So we can only do one of these schedules at a time. So once this one goes through, we could set up a second one if we need to. Great. That is a quick overview of the Conga Upgrade Assist Package, how to download it, how to then see what is currently in your org, and then next steps for either an instant upgrade or scheduling an upgrade when you prefer. Thank you so much.